Hello students, today we show a new topic in Introduction to Hybrid Electric Vehicle. Yesterday we showed the power flow of in hybrid electric vehicles, and in previous lecture we have shows the series and parallel hybrid system, and now we have to gone through the new, that is the power flow control of series hybrid electric vehicles. So that is the combination of that. So the series parallel hybrid system involves the features of series and parallel hybrid system. So it is a combination of the series and parallel hybrid systems. So a number of operation modes are the feasible, and therefore these hybrid systems are classified into two categories. First is the IC engine denominated, and the second is the electric motor denominated. So first we show the IC engine denominated system. So how it will be work? So there are some notations, that is the battery for B, IC engine for the E, generator for G, fuel tank, that is the F, M for the motor, and P for the power converter, and T means the transmission, that is including brakes, clutch and gear. And the thick line shows the electrical link, thin line that is the hydraulic link, and double line that is the mechanical link. So in that there are the 6 modes. So what are the 6 modes? We have to starting this here. So in the IC engine denominated, so first mode is the startup mode, and you can see here there are the series and parallel, both combinations are here. So in that, at startup, the battery that is provided the necessary power to the propeller and the vehicle, and the IC engine remains the off mode. So IC engine is not provided the power at the startup. And in this mode you can show here that there is no any power flow from the engine side. You have to shown in the block diagram. So IC engine is not running, so generator is not running, so only battery power is used to drive the motor. Now second mode is the acceleration mode. So during full throttle acceleration, both IC engine and the electric motor share the required traction power for that. So you show in the previous that there is no any power flow from the fuel to engine in the startup, but here you show the arrow is showing to fuel to engine, and the power is the transmission to the for the required traction power for drive the vehicles. So this is you have to shown here. So in third mode there is the normal driving mode. So during normal driving mode, the required traction power is provided by the IC engine only, and the electric motor remains in the off state. So you can see here that the engine is provided the traction power to the transmission line. So now next mode is the braking and deceleration mode. So during normal braking and deceleration, the electric motor act as a generator and charge the battery. So that is the you can shown in here. So the required kinetic motions of the mechanical energy is converted by the motor, and that is act as a generator, and it is give the power to the power converter and back to the battery. And so during this braking or deceleration, the battery is charging for that. The next mode is the battery charging during the driving vehicle. So to charge the battery during the driving, the IC engine delivers the required traction power and also charges the battery through the generator. So in this mode, the electric motor act as a generator. So in that mode, both traction as well as generator gives the power to the charge the battery. So next sixth is the battery charging during standstill. So when the vehicle is standstill, then the IC engine can be deliver the power to charge the battery. So and charge the battery via the motor, electric motor. So these 6 modes are available in series and parallel hybrid systems. And now next we have to show the electric motor denominated system. So the first mode is the during the startup. So the electric motor provides the traction power, and IC engine remains in the off state. So during the starting, same as the previous one, the uh, electric motor is deliver the power of the traction to drive the vehicles. So in the second mode, that is the during the full throttle, that is the both IC engine and electric motor provides the traction power uh, for that the driving the vehicles. So in during the third mode, that is the normal drive. So during the normal drive, both the IC engine and electric motor provides the traction power same as the during the full throttle mode. So next mode is the drive during the braking and deceleration. The electric motor act as a generator to charge the battery, and the IC engine will remains the shut off. So this is the braking and deceleration mode. Next mode is the battery charging during the driving. The charge the To charge the battery during the driving, the IC engine delivers the required traction power and also charges the battery, and this electric motor act as a generator for that, and simultaneously generator generates the power and also charging the battery through the power converter. So next mode is the battery charging during the standstill. So when the vehicle is standstill, the IC engine can deliver the power to charge the battery via electric motor as well as the generator also. So this is the modes of the electric the denomination for that. So now next is the power flow control for the complex hybrid control. So in these hybrid vehicle configurations, there are two types of vehicles. First is the front hybrid and rear electric, and second is the front electric and rear hybrid. So in that both configuration there are six operation modes are there. So one by one we can see all these modes of that. So first we show the front hybrid and rear electric. So in that during the startup, the required traction power is delivered by the electric motors, and the engine is in off mode. So the front power, that is the given to the electric motor, and the rear will be the for that. So here the F means the fuel for that fuel tank. E means the IC engine. FT means the front axle. FP means front power converter. FM means front motor. B means the battery. RP means rear power converter. RM means rear motor, and RT means the rear axle transmissions. So FT means the front axle transmission, and RT means the rear axle transmission. So the thick line shows the electrical link, thin line shows the hydraulic link, and double line shows the mechanical link for that. So here you show that that is the IC engine, that is the E, is provided by the front motor, and front motor drive the IC engine, and that is the given to the front transmission line. So during the startup, the required traction power is delivered by the electric motors, and the engine is in the off mode. So now second mode, that is the full throttle and acceleration mode. During the front throttle acceleration, both IC engine and the front wheel electric motor deliver the power to the front wheel, and the second electric motor delivers power to the rear wheel. So next is the during the normal driving. So the IC engine delivers the power to the propel to the front wheel, and to drive the first electric motor, and as a generator to charge the battery as well as. Now next mode is the fourth mode, that is the light load mode. So during the light load, first electric motor delivers the required traction power to the front wheel, the second electric motor and the IC engine are in the off state. So this is the fourth mode. And fifth mode, that is the braking and deceleration. So both front and rear wheel electric motors act as a generator to simultaneously charge the charge the battery. Now sixth mode, that is the axial balance. In a unique operating mode of complex hybrid system is axial balancing. In this mode, if the front wheel slips, the front electric motor work as a generator to absorb the change of the IC engine power through the battery. This power difference is then used to drive the rear wheels to achieve the axial balancing. Means whenever front wheel is slips, means if you are going and you are the downhilling by the vehicles, then the front wheels, if front wheel is slips, the electric motor work as a generator and that absorbs the change of the IC engine power. So through the battery, this power difference is the used to drive the rear wheels and achieve the axial balancing. So so this is the sixth mode, and for that, and now next is we shows the operation of the front electric and rear hybrid, that is we have to shown here. Same as the notation are there: F for the fuel, B for the battery, RM for the rear motor, FP means the front power converter, FT means the front axle transmission, E means IC engine, RM means rear motor, RP means the rear power converter, RT means the rear axle transmissions for that. So in that mode, same as the all the drives working are the same as for the startup. Both configurations are similar. During the startup, required traction power is delivered by the electric motors and the engine is in the off mode. So in second mode, that is during the full throttle acceleration, both the IC engine and the front axle or rear wheel, in that rear wheel, that is the electric motor delivers the power to the front wheel and the rear wheel same as, and the second electric motor delivers the power to the front wheel here. So all modes are same as the we have previously discussed in this same. In previous mode, there is the front hybrid and rear electric, and the second mode is the front electric and rear hybrid. So same as the full throttle, vehicle, propel and battery charging, mode 3 for that, and the mode 4 for the light load. So during the light load, the IC engine delivers the required traction power to the rear wheels, and the second electric motor and the IC engine are in the shut off mode. So both motors are used in here to drive the vehicles. So hope you understand the all these things and all the operations here. And same as the braking and deceleration mode, both front wheel and rear wheel will be the drive and motor act as a generator, and front converter and rear power converter charging the battery, and same as the axial balancing for that. So hope you understand this modes, both modes, 6 modes, and if you have any query, then ask me anytime. And I think these modes are better benefit in the future for the understand the electric hybrid vehicles for that. Hope you understand all these things. If you have any query, please ask me anytime. Thank you so much.